So hello and welcome to this class. My name is Karen Marroquin, and in today's class I'm very excited because I want to explain the different online tools that I have prepared for you in this class. So which one I like to start is SpeakPipe. What I like about this application is that it's very easy to use and you don't need to sign up to create a recording. You just can simply go to the browser and you will have this page. So what you just need to do is click on here and you can start to record your voice as I'm doing. But you have to keep in mind that it only lasts 5 minutes maximum. So you have to be very concise of what you're saying. After that, you can save on the servers and you can put the name here. You can replay it or you can restart again the recorded, and then you just have to save. Once the recorded has been saved, the next thing is to share. You can either click on to copy and paste the link, share on Twitter, Facebook, but if you want to embed it, if you want that this part appear in your blog or in your presentation to make it look more fancy, more aesthetic, what you have to do is go here and click embed it on a website. So this part can appear instead of just putting the link. This part is the one that will be up here. And you go here and you copy the code, and then you can put it in your blog, or you can put it in your homeworks, in your presentations, and embed it to make it more personalized and customize it more. So the next one, I will show you later how to paste it and the way that is gonna look. But after that, I will go to the next application, which is Loom. And you just have to go and sign in or get Loom for free if you don't have an account. And you need basically the same. You just need a Google account to sign in. And after that, you have signed in, you will have this page. So as you can see here that I already have my Google account. This is giving me a name, the name automatically. And what you need to do to start to use this application is to create if you want to record a video, you can start here by click on record a video. And then you will have this where you will be able to share with a screen or a camera, only a screen only. And as the way I'm doing right now, that you just can see the screen and listen to my voice. And you just can put the camera and the students will just see yourself. In this case, I have here a sample that I'm gonna show you. But what I like about this application is that you can use this with your students to show them a presentation, to explain some directions, for them to explain a class. If you want to see that they are the ones that they are speaking, you can use this. But you have to keep in mind that you need to have an online tool to present it. Okay, don't use PowerPoint. Try to use different online tools as Adobe Spark, Pictochart, Canva to present it, because it might have problems with PowerPoint. So now I will present you one of my recorders, but basically what you just need to know is just click on the ones you want and start recording. Once you click on here, you will start to record, and then you will be appear in this part here. So, and then you can go and select the one presentation that you're using. And this is the example. And I hope that you're ready to start this class, okay? So in today's class, we're going to review a little bit about what we... So as you can see here, this is already uploaded to YouTube, and you can either share the link with someone, and as easy as that, you have a video presentation, and this can be very helpful for students and for teachers. When you're trying to explain a class, it's gonna help you. And as you can see, as the way I did here, it's a very fun way to do, and also very interactive. So the next application will be Adobe Spark, and for that, what I like about Adobe Spark is that it's an online tool too that you can use to create posters, infographics, presentations, and as the previous one, you just need to sign in to have one and create your presentations. So what you just need to do is just click on Start Now. And then if you already have an account, it will be open automatically, or you can just sign in by using your Google account, as easy as that. And as you can see, because I already have mine, I already have my Google account, I just need to put it, and now I have one. I have now the Adobe Spark. And what you can do with Adobe Spark, as I was saying, is presentations, PowerPoint presentations. You can make a post on Facebook, on Instagram. And what I like is this one, where you can go here and use this tool can name it, then you can choose the template that you want to use. In this case, we're gonna start from the beginning, create my own, and now you're ready to create your online presentation. And what I like about this presentation is it is very friendly to use, because you just need to click on add a video. You can also record your own voice of what you want to explain. You have the different type of fonts that you can use, and you can add pictures, you can add text, you can add short videos, and then after that you just need to download it. You can also choose the music that you want to play here, and you can use a theme. And the thing about this one is that I like it's very useful and easy to use. So if you want to work with someone else, you just need to put here the Google account, and then you can work. And then what you have to do is just publish, And as easy as that, you can just create a link and you have it. So it's easy to use. The next is how to sign in into a Google meeting or how to create a meeting. So the first thing you have to do is have your Google account, and if you don't have it in your computer or your cell phone, you have to download the application, and then you have to sign in with your Google account. You can choose either which one. In this case, I already have my institutional account, and then you just can simply click on here and name the meeting, and you already have ready your meeting chat where you can add people by just sharing the link or the number, or you just can program your meeting. So as you can see now, you go and click on join, and now you are presenting. And if you want to share or if you want to add people, you just can put here the address, the email address, or you just can simply share the link. And it's easy, as you can see, it's very easy to create it. And it doesn't take that much. You can also, so if you want to schedule a meeting, what you have to do is go to your Google Calendar, and once you're there, you will find you can program the date and how you're gonna call your event. And then you can add to this by just putting the name, by just putting the email address, and then you have people, and then you put the day and the time that you wanna do it. And as easy as that, you just send the email and you already have programmed a meeting. It's very easy. The next one is Google Drive, and what we're gonna do is how to upload a file. And you just have to download to your cell phone in case you don't have it, or your computer. And once you have done that, you have to sign in with your Google account, and then you go to this icon and hit new, and you will have here how to upload a file. So once you're there and you have ready the file that you want to upload, the next thing you have to do is just to go to documents, and the documents that you want to upload. I will show you an example. And once you have done that, you can share this by clicking right, and you can share with someone. What you need to do is only to put the email, the person that you want to share this, and then you can even send a text. and now you are sharing